Nelson to the show. I'm Dave along with Sean. What is your name, please?
My name is Frank.
Well, hello, Frank. How are you today?
I'm doing fine. I really need this doorbell.
Why do you need this, Frank?
Well, I live in a shoebox across from the train tracks, and I can never hear when I have my people over to visit.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
If I have this doorbell, then I'll know when my people is at the door. Oh, hold on a second. There's people at the door. Hello? Hello? Oh, that's weird. There's nobody there. I live in a shoebox.
Well, excellent. We're so glad this is going to solve a problem for you.
I think you two sure make handsome boyfriends for each other. What the? People's at the door again. I gotta go now. Who is it?